Do you know how to make slime at home? Well, today on Kiddies Club, we're going to show you how to make super silly, safe slime. It's so safe even a squirrel could play with it. That's me. I'm Squeaky the Squirrel. And if you want to see how to make slime at home, stick around. Hey friends, welcome back to Kiddies Club. Today we're making, wait for it, super silly, safe slime. And Squeaky. Yay! And it's so safe, even I could play with it. But I might get it stuck in my tail. Heh 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 heh. To make super silly, safe slime, you will need 1 cup of cornstarch, ½ cup of water, a few drops of food coloring, a big bowl, and a spoon for mixing. And remember, ask a grown-up to help you so you don't make a giant mess. Or do, because messes are fun. First, pour your cornstarch into the bowl. Try not to sneeze or you'll get a poof. Next, slowly pour in the water. Slower like a sleepy turtle. Time for the magic. Add a few drops of food coloring, any color you like. Now mix, mix, mix. It might look like liquid, but when you touch it, ta-da, it feels solid. Isn't that cool? This slime is called oobleck. It's a non-Newtonian fluid, which means it acts like both a solid and a liquid. Whoa! Science and fun in one bowl. That's it. Now you can squish it, poke it, and even watch it ooze through your fingers. It's so much fun. And don't forget to keep it in a sealed container so it stays fresh. And subscribe to Kiddies Club for more silly, safe fun. And remember, stay curious. That's all for now. See you next time. Bye. Stay awesome.